Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all the people who are viewing this project. And thank you for your time. Today, we are excited to present DotRepute, a project that brings one of the most valuable Web2 primitives into Web3, a unified, verifiable, user-owned reputation layer. In Web2, reputation powers not just hiring, trust, transparency, community growth, but none of this exists natively in Web3 today. Everything is fragmented across wallets, votes, staking, and contributions. We built DotRepute to fix exactly this problem. So what you will be thinking is, what's the current problem in the Web3? What is it missing? So despite Web3 promising decentralized identity and ownership, users still live behind anonymous wallet addresses. This creates major challenges. DAOs can't verify contributors. Grant programs can't evaluate applications. Project can't measure community trust. Users can't showcase their on-chain reputation. In Web2, platforms like LinkedIn, Stack Overflow, and GitHub solve this. But in Web3, there is no native equivalent, no cross-governments, no cross-staking, cross-identity reputation standards, or anything else regarding this. So this is where Polkadot is a perfect ecosystem to solve this, with rich governments, staking, and identity palette. So we build a system that bridges all these signals together into one unified, transparent reputation engine. DotRepute is a Polkadot-native contribution reputation system. In short, a CSR. This turns complex on-chain activity into a human-readable reputation profile. What DotRepute does? First of all, you will be connecting the wallet using Luno Kit for better Polkadot wallet integration. Then the aggregation real-time on-chain data identifies pallet, staking, open government voting history, system account activity, and runs it through a multi-dimensional scoring engine that identifies based on percentage, governments, staking, activity, and it's deployed on GitHub with all the integration intact, and produces a reputation score that explains the process line by line and verifies it directly from on-chain. Plus, we also build a AI-powered interactive reputation assistant that breaks down score components, highlights strengths, showcase government participations, and give a personalized recommendation. This turns Polkadot complex on-chain data into something special and very useful for any background of user. And DotReputes does not only allow the users a Web3 native reputation identity, proof of government's participation, proof of staking commitment, long-term contribution, but also for DAO projects for faster hiring, more transparent grant evaluation, better validator selection, more credible community coordination. For Polkadot, DotReputes helps bring mainstream users to Web3 by recreating Web2 trust primitives with Web3 transparency, ownership, and decentralization. Also, as you can see in the background, we are currently showcasing you all the things that our platform can do. It's not just about the Web3 or Web2 ecosystem, it's about the future of interconnection, trust, and verifiability. Also, this project has been done by myself, Aditya. I worked on the Polkadot API integration, front-end, backend, UI, UX, and the system architecture with help from Steven Mujono, who is a Rust prodigy who is still working in school, who built the Rust-based scoring backend and infrastructure logic with collaboration with Dustin, who worked on the major critical component called wallet connection using Luno Kit and extension injectors. Also, why we are basically better at application management than any other competitors. So basically, we bring trust primitives into Web3, brings user-centric design into Web3, bring reputation infrastructure into Web3, and we are using Polkadot's API exactly as they are intended. Most importantly, we are not just a demo, we are a real functional product that's ready to be used today by contributors, DAOs, parachain teams across the ecosystem. With this, we would like to request you to, if you have any questions, anything, you feel free to post down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching our presentation.